Hi guys, welcome back to my artistry. First, I want to thank you everyone for your appreciation on my last video on making this marvelous marine treasure pyramid. If you have missed it, I will post a link in the description below. In this video, I will show you something new that I have tried for the first time. It is this beautiful jewelry box with resin. It is a super easy technique and the results are awesome. Now let's go to the making. This is a small hexagonal mold that comes with a separate mold for the lid. I am adding a tiny bunch of real dried pinkish white baby breath flowers and mini gold flakes. I am using craft resin and will be adding this bright blue mica powder from Arteza. I have pre-mixed my resin and preheating it, adding gold flakes in it. Mixing them evenly. Now I am adding a small layer in the mold. Using heat gun to blow away air bubbles. Keep on adding until a sufficient amount of resin is filled in the mold. I am separating the baby breath flowers from the stem. Placing them into the resin with the tweezer and pushing them to the desired position with a toothpick. By the way, these flowers are real and dried, and they do not leak color in the resin as they had been well preserved for a long time. Next, I am adding a tiny bulb of resin with gold flakes on the lid mold and placing a few flowers. Pushing them down with a toothpick and making sure they are well submerged. I will leave them for a day for the resin to cure. The next day, I am filling the remaining mold with a bright blue resin that I achieved by mixing bright blue mica powder. At the center, I am adding some gold flakes. I am removing any air bubbles with the toothpick. For the lid, I am adding the colored resin on the sides and covering the central flower parts with the clear resin. I will be leaving it aside for 3 days for the resin to become rock hot. Now it's time to unmold. It's little tough. Wow, this is aesthetically pleasing. The lid perfectly fits the box. I love how these flowers and gold flakes are evenly placed in clear resin and there are no air bubbles. The bright blue color lifts the box. A perfect fancy box to keep the favorite jewelry. If you guys loved it, like and share my video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. Also, check out my Etsy shop to purchase my art and other social media links. All the links are in the description below. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.